Hi there. So for my learning strategy for my cardiovascular system lesson plan, I had to do it on concrete and abstract learning strategies, which was very helpful for a classroom like I have. I teach health occupations for high schoolers, and the students a lot of times learn hands on. As well as after learning hands on, though, we have to learn how the body works and the scientific ways of why it works the way it does. So that was this is a really helpful lesson for me. As always, you present it as it's new, and um, just we'll try it out and see if we like it this way. I've done this before in the classroom a few times, and I find that it really works for my class anyway. But just to clarify, it is a strategy that begins with a tangible hand-on experience, aka the concrete part, that helps students understand a concept, and then they gradually move more towards a symbolic, conceptual, theoretical representation, the abstract part. This method helps learners, especially English learners or special need, IEP, any of those kind of students, help build meanings from familiar physical experiences and then be able to help transfer them to more complex and academic thinking. So, for my example, we used the clay model. So, we made a clay heart. This would be our concrete part of the learning strategy, where we made this together, as well as I put them in groups for my English learners so that they are partnered up with people that can maybe help them interpret things a little better, as well as if they had questions or they were falling behind on the instructions, they can kind of look over at their partners and see what's going on too. But anyway, we did this as well as we did our hand motions. I made them make the heart with their hands and show me how it would pump, just to give them, again, more of that visual, like, representation of what the heart does. Once we mastered that, we then moved into how the heart flows through this mastermind of a puzzle, and we described the steps. And then they got a sentence framing list, like step 1, step 2, step 3, with their vocabulary list that they would have filled in, just to give them an idea, like the more abstract part of it. So that's what I did for my learning strategy. And then at the end, again, I just asked them questions to analyze thinking and just make sure that they really understood that abstract part, and they were able to connect that after relearning and visualizing the concrete part of the lesson.